Hey, buddy. Hey. I'll let you sleep. I just wanted to say goodnight. My precious, beautiful baby buddy boy. Say what? What? You gotta work tomorrow. Buddy. Hey, did you set your alarm? Buddy. Set your alarm for tomorrow? Huh? Did you? Huh? Can't afford to pay the water. I couldn't pay the water bill. We have no water. We have this. This is natural spring water. This is good. This is healthy for you. It's better than the rust that comes out of that the tub water. Real men love cats. Jump through the hoop. Oh, good job. Oh. Oh man, buddy, good job. Just a little bit. Way to jump through the hoop. Way to jump through the hoop. Good job. Hey, you get a reward for that one. There you go. I got you. Ah. Huh? Nice headbutt. Ouch. So this is what we do for fun on Valentine's Day. Why so sad? You said what? Well, I heard that. Go behind the door. There you go. Smart boy. Here. Oof. Ouch. Too aggressive. Here, shake. Good. There you go. I'll give you another one. Another one? What? Oh my gosh, why are you yelling? Jeez, I'm home, aren't I? No? Why are you so mad? Too late? Yep, too late. Well, what time is it? Zoomie time! Gosh. Where's Buddy? Shit. Jeez. You that thirsty? Hey, Mommy was saying that you melt our heart when we watch you wait for... He got scared. He really didn't want... He didn't want to get sentimental. Buddy, you melt our heart when we see you on the camera waiting for... Come on up. Shake my hand. It's been a while since I've seen you. I haven't seen you in like an hour. Here. GB, come on in. Come on in, buddy. Buddy boy. I got some water for you. Yeah, come on in. Make sure to subscribe, like the video of the cute cats greeting.
What happened to that? I thought it's like...
Why'd you unswaddle yourself? Why'd you unswaddle? You're supposed to stay in there.
I don't know.
Are you a bobblehead doll? Oh,
You
yeah.
never know he's gonna be famous again, bobblehead. Yeah.
That's cool. We'll see you at the stadium someday. And same to you too, bobblehead buddy. Where's my guy? Huh? Who's your daddy? Huh? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Baby buddy, wanna play?
He's gonna stop
Oh no, he wants to bite your foot. Come on. Whoa, buddy. Oh, Jesus. And another pants dance? Oh, zoom. Wow. I love your zoomies, buddy. You want to resume your zoomies? Whoa, baby buddy, shh. Don't wake baby Bubba. There you go. Good boy. Who's a good boy? Okay. Is baby putting you to sleep?
Georgia.
Go in here. Here. Ready? The wind up and the pitch. And it's a swing and a miss. Right. And try again. Oh, different sport. Oh, the jump. Spread eagle. Nice. Oh, nice catch. Even you were impressed with yourself. That's how you do. Like this. Then you gotta put it on top. Okay? Your turn. Let me take another one. Take it from like here or something. No, you actually, you gotta take one from here and put it on top. You took the one from top and you threw it off.
Cheating. You cheater.
Yeah. Okay. Go like this. I'm gonna take this one. Put that on top there. Okay. Okay.
He's playing. He's really playing.
Okay. The Q-tip. Yeah. This one. Oh, oh, oh. Okay.
You get it?
Why are you so careful? Watch your tail. Watch your tail.
Okay, buddy, one more.